Thanks, Mom.
Have fun, kids. I'll just be here listening to my tunes.
Yeah, I'll go grab a chair. Unexpected instruments, vocal styles, /recordings that could be sampled. So we can use sampling.
You can cut to them, like you can cut in and out.
And now a camera with a motor drive.
That's amazing.
And that's a car alarm.
Like the Lyre Bird just repeats what he hears, so it's like the form of nature, like following this like anarchy.
Yeah, like
we're turning the world into.
And then if we're saying like it's sort of like us, like we're the Lyre Bird, like we just repeat like our statement, more of the juxtaposition between like the nature sounds and the gunshot sounds and the news articles.
What I can say is that it is clear that this is one of New Zealand's darkest days.
What's a cool vocal line or lyrical line that kind of captures everything? Hey there, little Lyre Bird. You just repeat what you heard. Like, I don't know. What do you think about that? Like, you're allowed to be critical. I want you.
Yeah, no. Like I'm like it's. I think we definitely have to be careful that we don't just make a song.
Yeah.
We have to make an extreme song.
Yeah.
Which does mean that like like the final product may not be like what
nice.
we like.
Yeah. Maybe it's best to leave piano out altogether. I don't know. What do you think?
I feel like we don't have much musical like repertoire between us if we took away a piano.
Yeah, that's
like
the problem.
like piano's sort of like
We need it.
Yeah, it's really clear. It's not even like we're like exceptional like editors or like software or like with
That's
like.
all we've got.
It is music. Piano is all we have, and by all we have is all you have, and then all I have is you. So.
Good sound. Gun sound. Explosion sound. It's great.
On the 23rd of March 2019, the manifesto was deemed objectionable by the Chief Censor of New Zealand, making it unlawful from that date to possess or distribute it in New Zealand.
How we have it starting at the moment with the nature, I think, because it definitely captures people straight away.
That looks so cool with the Lyre Bird. Like the tweeting on, it's not synced. Like obviously, it's not the sound from there, but you still think it